I felt like I had the knowledge and the capability to start a company and to be able to be an employer. And I had worked for a number of very good employers and felt like I could do something similar and I could create opportunities for other people to have jobs and to learn different type of experience that could help them personally and professionally. Let's see, the first business that I started, actually when I was in college, right when the internet started coming out and when the Netscape browser started, I had learned how to program HTML and started my own small web development shop called Digital Designs. And so that was the very first business that I started. Well, first of all, I had no idea what I was doing. So I consulted with an attorney that helped me go through the process of setting up the company. Otherwise, as a college student, it was a little difficult to try to get appointments to be able to speak to the different businesses and to convince them that I was capable of creating a website for their business. And so we didn't have a lot of success, but it was a very good learning experience. I can't think of any specific quote that I get motivation from, but there was something that I used to say to people that were asking me about what was something that made me successful. And I simply said, I can do more in 80 hours than you can do in 40. I don't think so. I think people with all different sort of backgrounds and capabilities can be entrepreneurs. I actually had a conversation this morning with somebody that was asking me something similar to this, and I told them that I felt the key to success was to simply understand some aspect of life or business so well that you can figure out a way to monetize that and to create enough value that other people would want to pay you to either build it, make it, or consult for them on how they could do it. I think the biggest piece of advice is to just go ahead and take the plunge and do it. There's never going to be a better time than today. Tomorrow you'll be older. Tomorrow there'll be some other challenges you have. So in my case, I was able to start these businesses before I had was married, had children and things like this. And so I had the flexibility, the time and the ability to do all of these things.